Efficiency is crucial in the highly competitive world of garment production, but managing operations may be difficult since there are so many moving components from obtaining supplies to delivering completed goods. In this situation, Absolute ERP is useful. Being pioneers in cloud-based ERP systems, we are aware of the unique needs of the apparel production sector. Your entire manufacturing process, from initial sampling stages through to order administration and production planning, can seamlessly unfold with Absolute ERP, all consolidated within a single, centralized platform. With the real-time visibility into inventory levels provided by our cloud-based technology, you can optimize stock levels and avoid stockouts. Moreover, integrated supply chain management allows you to monitor shipments and guarantee on-time delivery. However, it goes beyond simple operations management. Additionally, Absolute ERP offers strong analytics tools that let you learn significant information like consumer preferences, production costs, and sales patterns. Don't only believe what we say. Listen to what our clients have to say about how Absolute ERP has improved their companies by checking their reviews. Go for Absolute ERP if you're willing to grow your apparel manufacturing company. Set up a demo right now to experience the difference for yourself.